everyone, welcome back to Daily English with Hope, a place where you can relax, listen, and improve your English naturally through real conversations. I'm Hope.
And I'm Adam. Hope, I nearly sent my friend this message. Let's meet in Saturday at the cafe on 2 p.m.
Oh, Adam, that message has 3 prepositions, and 2 of them are wrong.
I knew something sounded strange, but I couldn't hear which words were causing the problem.
Now, everyone watching, listen to the sentence one more time. Let's meet in Saturday at the cafe on 2 p.m. Which 2 words would you change?
Stop the video for a moment, try to correct my sentence, and write your answer in the comments. Then come back and check it with us.
While you're thinking, subscribe if you enjoy learning English through simple conversations like this. All right, Adam, what is your new version?
How about, let's meet on Saturday at the cafe at 2 p.m.
Exactly. We say on Saturday and at 2 p.m. The phrase at the cafe also works because the cafe is your meeting point.
Good, one sentence fixed. Only a few thousand more confusing prepositions to go.
It is not that bad. We can make the choice easier with one simple picture. Think of at as a point. Think of on as a day or a surface. And think of in as a container or a longer period of time.
So the quick picture is point, day or surface, and container or longer time.
Right. It is a helpful guide, not a perfect rule for every expression. For an exact time, we usually use at 2 p.m., at noon, at midnight, and at lunchtime. We also say at night. That one is a special expression worth remembering.
English gives us a pattern and then immediately gives us something special.
True, but listen to this useful group. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening.
For days and dates, we use on Monday, on July 15th, and on my birthday.
Exactly. In common North American English, we also say on the weekend.
And many British speakers say at the weekend.
Right. Both are natural. The choice depends on the variety of English you use.
What happens when I add a day to the morning? Do I still say in the morning?
Not when the day is specific. We say on Monday morning, on Friday evening, and on Sunday afternoon. For longer periods, we usually use in June, in winter, in 2026, and in the future.
Let me try all 3. My class starts at 10:30 on Thursdays in September. All right, time feels better now. What about place?
For place, at often gives a point or a general location. We say at the bus stop, at the entrance, at home, at work, and at school.
So when I tell you I'm at the library, I am giving you my general location.
Yes, but if you say I'm in the library, you clearly mean you are inside the building.
That explains meet me at the cafe and I'm sitting in the cafe.
Exactly. The first sentence treats the cafe as a meeting point. The second sentence focuses on being inside.
Now I can finally tell people where I am without sending them on a treasure hunt.
That would be helpful. For surfaces, we use on. We say on the table, on the wall, on the floor, and on the 3rd floor. We also use on with street names, as in, the store is on Main Street.
And we use in for something inside a space or area. In a box, in the kitchen, in Toronto, and in Canada. I still have the transport question. Why am I in a car but on a bus?
For cars and taxis, we normally use in. For buses, trains, planes, bicycles, and motorcycles, we normally use on. There is no perfect rule for every vehicle. It is easier to remember those common groups.
Okay, everyone, it is time to test what you remember.
There are 5 questions. Keep your own score and tell us your result in the comments.
Number 1. The appointment is blank Tuesday morning. Choose at, on, or in.
The answer is on Tuesday morning, because Tuesday is a specific day.
Number 2. I'll wait for you blank the front entrance.
The answer is at the front entrance, because it is a meeting point.
Number 3. Your keys are blank the kitchen drawer.
The answer is in the kitchen drawer, because the keys are inside it.
Number 4. There is a notice blank the wall.
The answer is on the wall, because the notice is touching a surface.
Last one. She studies blank night, but exercises blank the morning.
The answers are at night and in the morning. That pair is useful to remember together.
How many did you get right? 1, 2, 3, 4, or all 5?
Now let's return to the message that started our little grammar emergency.
Here is my corrected version. Let's meet on Saturday at the cafe at 2 p.m. I'll be sitting in the back corner.
That sounds natural. You used on for the day, at for the meeting point and exact time, and in for your position inside the cafe.
So my fastest check is, am I talking about a point, a day or surface, or a container or longer time?
Exactly. And when 2 choices seem possible, think about the meaning you want. At the library gives the general location, while in the library clearly shows that you are inside.
Now it is your turn. Make one sentence using all 3 words. Include a day, an exact time, and a place.
For example, I'm meeting my friend on Friday at 6 p.m. in the new cafe near my house. And that feels like a good place to leave it for today.
If this conversation helped you, feel free to share it with someone who's learning English too.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.